These videos are presented for educational purposes, intended to highlight the potential consequences of unsafe driving practice. They are not intended to sensationalize or glorify accidents, but rather to promote awareness and responsible behavior on the road. Remember that safety on the road is of paramount importance. Obey traffic laws, use seatbelts, avoid distractions, and drive responsibly.
This Mexican woman is a terrible driver. Maybe she is just a beginner judging by the way she is parking her minivan. Now she has no car to drive and maybe the roads are more safely without her. This accident is from Missouri. A driver lost control on a highway because of light snow and ended up hitting a barrier. A video from Birmingham, England. A truck hugged a red car. Fortunately, the car didn't get under the huge wheels. An idiot ran a red light on high speed and T-boned with other vehicle. Both were alright, but I hope a red light runner will never do something like this. A semi-truck driver had no chance to stop. He had a choice to collide with the other semi-truck or with the car on the opposite lane, and I believe he made the right decision as no one was hurt.
What the hell are you doing? No! No! No!
This Canadian driver damaged his car on a road barrier, but it was not so bad as if he collided with the semi-truck. This video is from Long Island, New York. A driver was going fast and didn't brake on time, causing a rear-end collision. A reckless driver was making a U-turn without looking. Such a simple and very dumb mistake led to the accident. This is Florida. A white Jeep driver attempted to exit swiftly and caused an accident on a highway.
October 16th, yeah. Wow.
There was no difficulty to turn safely, but this Infiniti driver damaged a vehicle to his left so dumbly. And again, video from Florida. A Ford driver stopped at a pedestrian crossing illegally and decided to go in reverse, but hit a car behind him. This video was filmed in Brazil. A driver took a turn too fast and ended up falling into the ditch. This video filmed in California shows us why it's always necessary to keep a safe distance. An idiot driver acted extremely dangerously crossing 3 lanes. No surprise, his action caused an accident. A typical triple rear end crash happened because of disabled brakes or more likely because of distracted driver. There was a threat of head-on collision, but driver avoided it pressing to the right, so only his car was damaged. A minivan driver was making a light left turn but lost control due to wet road and crashed into the road barrier. Luckily, the speed was not very high, so there were no serious consequences. The light is green, but the traffic stops, and there is one distracted driver who failed to stop and as a result damaged 2 cars, including his own one. This is unbelievable, but a man tried to run away from the police on a tractor, but he failed and ended up being flipped over. He was driving the wrong side like it had to be this way. Maybe the reason was snow on his windshield.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for not to miss new videos on our channel. See you soon, friends.